Little Patriots Kids Korner would not be possible without the support of our awesome partners. Thank you, Newport News Shipbuilding and USAA, for being a force behind the forces.
Hello everybody, I'm Paula.
I'm Christina.
And we're really excited about showing you a simple way to make spring a little bit easier on birds. Everybody thinks winter's the only time birds need to be fed, but actually in the spring, when they're building their nests and getting ready for their little babies, they need the extra protein and nutrition that goes along with being fed well into the summer. So Christina, would you like to show our friends what they need to do for this simple task?
Okay, just take some cardboard. You can do some cardboard, and I know we have a lot of cardboard for everybody getting shipping packages to their home. And you take peanut butter and spread it onto the cardboard.
Almost every bird loves peanut butter. It provides also essential fat that they need.
And you can do both sides or just one. And then you just take your bird seed and dip it in. And there you go. And then hang it up and the birds will love you. The other thing you can do is take pine cones and also, once again, spread peanut butter onto the pine cone. I have tons around my house if anybody is looking for pine cones.
Go to Christina's house and get pine cones. We're not going to do it all the way around for the purposes today, but you certainly can get it all in the nooks and crannies and then roll it. And the birds really love, it's easy for them to cling to these because of the nature of the pine cones. And you can just hang them in a tree and watch the birds. You get the joy of watching the birds, and they get some great protein and nutrition. Also, I'd like to thank our special sponsors, USAA and Newport News Shipbuilding, who make everything we do possible for service members and their families. Thank you for joining us today.
Stay tuned for a reading with our friends at Scholastic.
Words and pictures by
Watch the ship all the way up. Next stop, Bus and Blizzard. And everybody sit down and strap them up.
Here we go. Sorry, the gears are a little. Now we're going. This is fun. There's a big bill. Okay, so hey, just what the
Thank you very much for riding Puppet Prince.
Hi, I'm the bus driver. Listen, I've got to leave for a little while. So can you watch things for me until I get back? Yeah! Thanks. Oh, and remember, don't let the pigeon drive the bus.
I thought he'd never leave. Hey, can I drive the bus? No! Please? No! I'll be careful. I tell you what, I'll just steer. My cousin Herb drives a bus almost every day. True story. Vroom, vroom, vroomy, vroom, vroom. Pigeon at the wheel. No, I never get to do anything. Hey, I've got an idea. Let's play Drive the Bus. I'll go first. Come on. Just once around the block. I'll be your best friend. How about I give you $5?
No!
What's the big deal?
No!
It's just a bus.
No!
No fair.
No!
I bet your mom would let me. I have dreams, you know. Fine. 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 Let me drive the Uh-oh.
I'm back. You didn't let the pigeon drive the bus, did you? Great. Thanks a lot. Bye.
Hey.
Hey, you seen my latest bus?
That's the new, the K427, right?
It's a great bus.
That's got to be a beautiful ride.
Yep. V12, knucklehead cams,
Yeah, yeah.
air-cooled, water-fed. It's beautiful.
Yeah. I'd
Don't-
love to get my wings on something like that.
You know what? I would think about it, you
But
know.
what about one of the lower models? I'd do the B12. The B12 is, it's got a great.
You know what that has,
specific
though?
cam. No, what?
The articulated camshaft.
See, now, I don't, that's fine with me. I can do that.
Can you reach the pedals?
You mean technically? Reach the-
Yeah.
No, but I
Your legs are kind of teeny.
I'm pigeon-toed. I know.
I know that.
Well,
I mean, I
can
didn't
do
want
it.
to say that.
No, well,
I'm sorry.
we're not so unalike.
Yeah,
Let me-
we
I
kind of
think-
are, because see,
How?
like I got this uniform and the name
Where?
on my shirt. It doesn't say pigeon.
No,
No,
I changed my name.
no.
Well, think about it.
Okay. I thought about it. No.
I'm going home.